Good morning. Today we're at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Just gonna have a nice, relaxing day, enjoy the park, the sights and the sounds. I feel like this is kind of the most underrated park of the parks here in Orlando. And maybe ride a few rides, hang out, take a safari tour, see some animals, and maybe just do a couple things that we haven't done before. It's been a long time since I've been here, so I'm excited to see if there's anything new that I've been missing, or what else they might have on offer today. So come along and let's enjoy Disney's Animal Kingdom together. You know, one of the things I love most about this park is that it's just so relaxing. There's all these little nature walks and trails. This is the Tree of Life Garden, and I don't think I've ever been back here. I've only been to the Animal Kingdom a handful of times anyway, but this is really one of the great reasons to come to this park, and it's not quite as loud or as busy as, you know, some of the other parks, and just kind of take your time, walk through some of these areas and enjoy some of the animals and have a nice little nature stroll. I'm not the biggest fan of birds, like as a general rule, but the aviary in here is really cool. There's a lot of different bird species, and they also have some fish down in the aquarium that are really cool to look at. And it's just a nice, relaxing place to kind of hang out for a little bit and, you know, see a little bit of wildlife roaming around. Somebody put their sunglasses on the hippo skull. There's a hippo sleeping back there, just covered in fish. Another reason I love Animal Kingdom so much is the architecture. I feel like this park has the best architecture of any of the 4 parks here in Orlando. All the different lands are so heavily themed with kind of the natural architecture of the land they represent, and it's very, very immersive. Epcot is great. The World Showcase is fantastic, but I feel like this really, really does an excellent job, over-the-top job with the theming in each of the areas. Jungle trekkers, please apprehend that tigers are frequently encountered in the ruins ahead. On these nature treks, in the exhibit, sometimes there's not a clear indication of what's in there, but just behind the exhibit, they have these little markers that show you what to be on the lookout for. those nature treks. The Gorilla Explorer and the Maharaja Jungle Trek are such a good way to spend a little bit of time, and they're both really shaded and offer some great views of some animals. I think now we're going to head over and find something to eat, and then maybe go either on the safari or maybe go check out the dinosaur ride, which I haven't done in a long time. That should be fun too.
We wish you all a day filled with adventure. Here at Disney's Magic is Calling! Woo!
So I decided to come to Satu'li Canteen for lunch, and I ordered the combination bowl with the grilled beef and chicken, the red sweet potato hash, and charred green onion vinaigrette for $17.49. I'm gonna get a bite of everything together: the chicken, the beef, the potato hash, and a little of this green onion vinaigrette. Take a bite all together. That's really good. The beef is cooked perfectly, medium, still tender. The chicken has a really nice char on it. The potato hash adds a really good texture to everything, nice and soft and creamy. And then the onion vinaigrette is mild, but still offers a punch to it, and it's almost like a chimichurri. Adds a really good kind of zesty, lime, citrusy flavor over the top of everything. Very, very good dish. I also got the blueberry cream cheese mousse. It's a blueberry cream cheese mousse with passion fruit curd, and it looks like it's got a little bit of a blueberry sauce on it as well. Try to get a bite of everything there, the blueberry mousse and the passion fruit curd with the blueberry sauce on it. I'll get that all together. The passion fruit doesn't come through quite as much as I would like. It's very blueberry forward, and it's not quite as cold as I would like either. It's really hot outside, so a nice refreshing cold dessert would be really, really good. But all in all, very good dessert. That was an excellent lunch. I think now I'll make my way over to the dinosaur ride and hop on that, and see where it goes from there. I guess today's the day to put sunglasses on the animals here at the park.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! Let's go get that dino.
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur.
Identify!
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Warning.
Them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Wait,
That trip back to the Cretaceous was something else. It was a wild, wild ride. I don't know how much of it is going to come out. We were getting thrown all over the place, but that is such a great ride, and I have to do that one every time I'm here. Chasing dinosaurs down from the past is thirsty business, so I went over to Trilobites and got myself an orange float. No, that's really hitting the spot. Kevin's out walking around. This is one of the cooler characters that I've seen in a long time, just because it's so unique.
If you're trying to get photos with Kevin, just make sure you realize that she is a wild bird. She doesn't stay in one spot for very long.
That orange float was just what I needed, but I think it's about time we head for the exit. So on the way out, we might hit a store or two, see if there's anything new in there, and just take a peek what they have. There's a couple of items I don't know if I've seen before. It's like a Tomorrowland kind of theme here. There's a Tomorrowland hoodie. It's actually pretty light material. This one is $59.99 for that. Just kind of some different designs on the back for Tomorrowland. There's Paging Mr. Morrow socks from the People Mover. Great Big Beautiful Tomorrow socks. And then this Tomorrowland tee here for $36.99. These ears here, I don't know if I've seen these either. These are kind of cool. Sparkly with the same kind of purple that's on the shirt down here. The ears are $29.99. We've got a Tomorrowland keychain here. It's pretty big, heavy. That's $11.99. And then this is what I like here, this Great Big Beautiful Tomorrow magnet. It says it's a car magnet, but I might just hang that up on the fridge. And that is $9.99 for the magnet. I like it, a whole little Tomorrowland set. Looks like there's a couple of new Loungefly items in. They've got this backpack here with the train station on. I think I've seen this one before, but what I haven't seen is the hat. That's kind of got the same design on it. It's got the Disney Parks Loungefly emblem on the front there, and that's kind of cool. It's $39.99 for that hat, and yeah, I kind of like it. I also don't think I've seen this Loungefly backpack yet. It's got different icons from the different parks. So Country Bears, Small World, Dumbo, Space Mountain, and then it's got the Yeti here from Animal Kingdom, Expedition Everest. That's really cool too. I like that one. They also have a Dumbo Loungefly that I don't know that I've seen. I may have seen that one online, but I don't know if I've seen it in the parks. But I do like that kind of soft blue color on that one too. They also have the new Mickey, the main attraction set. So they've got the pin there, which I really like. I haven't been into too many of these main attraction sets, but the Tiki Room one I really do like. So that's the pin there for $29.99. They also have the plush, Mickey in his best Tiki Room outfit. And the plush is $34.99. I think that's just about it for us here today at Animal Kingdom. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.